Hi, today on my all-time favorites, pinto cheese. I love it, love it. I could eat it every day. But today, I'm healthying it up just a bit because instead of mayonnaise, we're using yogurt cheese. Now, you can absolutely go out there and buy yourself a jar of pimentos or even roasted red peppers, but it's kind of easy to do them yourself, and it's a lot less money. So they actually had red peppers on sale for $1 a piece the other day. If you have a grill, you can do them on the grill. If you have a gas oven, there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. I'm just going to do mine in the oven. Now I just rubbed just a little tiny bit of avocado oil, and I like to go ahead and cut them up when I'm doing this, and that way I don't have to remove the seeds and things when they're hot. And then I've got my broiler on high, and not the top shelf, but the next shelf down. I'm going to put these in there 10 to 15 minutes and just rotate them halfway through. Now, when they come out of the oven, I just like to cover them with a towel and let them sit for 10 or so minutes just to let them steam and settle. Now, they're still hot, so be careful, but you can see just how easy they just peel right off. So simple and so easy. Cup of yogurt cheese, and you can just see how beautiful and thick this yogurt cheese was. So for seasoning, I'm going to do about 1/8 of a teaspoon fresh cracked pepper. I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and then paprika, and then a little cayenne. Now, you do you. I'm just going to do a wisp of cayenne and get that mixed up. Now, I love pimento cheese. I like it on grilled cheeses, on hamburgers, for your just cheese and crackers or vegetables. And this pimento cheese made with yogurt cheese, you can do all of those things. And then you want an 8-ounce block of cheddar, 2.5 cups. Yeah. So now I'm just going to finely dice this pepper and add it to our dip. Now, I've only done half of this, and I think it looks like a lot, so I might not use the whole pepper. I think I'm going to start with half, and maybe I'll just need another half of that, or maybe I'll need all of it. So I think I'm just going to do a little tiny piece. So next, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Sometimes you get enough salt from your cheese, so I'm just going to do a pinch of salt, and then we'll taste it and see what we think. So my last video I just did was the cucumber and dill dip with the yogurt cheese, and we stuffed them into these little peppers to make them look like carrots. I'm going to do the same thing here with my pimento cheese. I like the pimento cheese to do this because it's already orange. And then just a sprig of fresh dill, and just kind of pick you off pieces like that to stick down in there so that it looks like a little carrot. How cute is that? Isn't that cute? Now, aren't they just adorable? I hope that you like my healthy version of pimento cheese with yogurt cheese, and I just think they're adorable. Thanks for being here, y'all. See you later. Bye.